Okay, well, hello everyone. Hello, my friends and my lecturer. I am Swati Pramitha from IKI Class. So, in this video, I want to share a discussion under the topic Improving Digital Literacy and Preserving Local Wisdom for Building Characters. So, in my previous videos, I have explained a little bit about digital literacy and how we can use this digital literacy skill for English language teaching and learning with infusing local wisdom as the topic of learning and for building students' character. Okay, now in this video, I want to give you one example, or it can also called an activity that we can implement in our EFL class by implementing a digital platform and of course using local wisdom as the topic. And the title is, as you can see in the screen, Virtual Cultural Tours as a media for learning English and preserving local wisdom. Okay, next. Firstly, what is virtual cultural tours? Okay, virtual cultural tours are digital experiences that allow individuals to explore and engage with cultural landmarks, museums, historical sites, and other points of interest from comfort of their own homes. And then these tours typically utilize technologies such as virtual reality, VR, and then augmented reality, AR, and multimedia presentation to create immersive and educational experiences. Here, virtual cultural tours provide an opportunity for people to virtually visit places they may not have access to physically due to factors such as distance, cost, or time constraints. And then they can also offer a way for individuals with mobility issues or disabilities to experience these cultural sites and events that might otherwise be inaccessible to them. These tours can range from simple online galleries of images and videos to more sophisticated interactive experiences where users can navigate through virtual environments, interact with exhibits, and access additional information through text, audio, or video commentary. Overall, virtual cultural tour serves a valuable tool for promoting cultural exchange, education, and appreciation by making cultural experiences more accessible and engaging to global audience. Okay, next slide. We already know that virtual cultural tours are exploration experiences carried out digitally through online platforms. Next slide, please. And then, in the context of language teaching and learning, virtual cultural tours can be an interesting way to learn local wisdom and expand students' vocabulary while increasing their understanding of local culture. Why? If teachers use these digital platforms in EFL classes, students can take virtual trips to famous historical landmarks, cultural sites, museums, or cultural events in their communities or around the world. You also can visit these places via video, 360-degree photos, audio guides, or even interactive virtual tours. So, what is the purpose of using this kind of digital platform into language learning, and is it beneficial for students or not? Okay, if we are integrating virtual cultural tours in the learning activity, students can listen to explanations in English about history, tradition, and cultural values from the guide or narrator, of course. And then, by viewing images, artifacts, or exhibits related to local cultures, students can use their imagination to imagine what local culture is like. For example, temples, museums, and other historical places, even though they have never visited those places. But by using this digital platform, virtual cultural tours, students will be taken into that place. And then another benefits. Students can learn expressions or phrases in English related to the places they visit. Moreover, if the teacher wants to give a test to check students' understanding, they can make or design an activity that requires students to do quizzes. It can be online quizzes or offline quizzes, or teachers also can make a whole class discussion. Depends on the students. I mean teachers planning in the teaching and learning process. And then virtual cultural tours provide students. I want to conclude this. Virtual cultural tours provide students with the opportunity to experience culture in depth without having to leave the classroom and help them develop their English language skills while understanding and appreciating the world's cultural diversity. Okay, that's all of my discussion about virtual cultural tours. I hope this can be beneficial for you all. And if you have any comment or suggestions, you can take you can put it on the chat box below. Thank you for your attention.